Welcome back to the Smart Start Squad. Today, we're investigating into the captivating world of preschool cognitive development. Our focus for this video is on fostering a love for science and exploration, igniting preschoolers' curiosity, and nurturing their natural inclination to discover the wonders of the world. Let's embark on this scientific exploration together. Science and exploration are powerful tools for preschoolers to understand the world around them. In this segment, we'll probe into the significance of fostering a love for science and exploration in early childhood and how it promotes curiosity, critical thinking, and a deeper understanding of the natural world. Science allows children to explore, question, and make sense of the world through observation and experimentation. It encourages them to ask why and how, stimulating their inquisitive minds and nurturing a lifelong love for learning. Hands-on science experiences are key to fostering a love for science and exploration. In this segment, we'll explore engaging and age-appropriate science activities that spark curiosity and inspire young learners. Provide opportunities for children to engage in simple experiments, such as mixing colors, exploring textures, or observing changes in nature. Encourage them to ask questions, make predictions, and draw conclusions. Ask them open-ended questions: who, what, where, when, why, and how, to foster communication and get them to use a higher level of thinking and reasoning skills. Engage in nature walks or outdoor explorations, where children can observe and investigate the world around them. Introducing scientific concepts at a preschool level sets the stage for future scientific understanding. In this segment, we'll discuss age-appropriate scientific concepts and how to present them to preschoolers in a fun and accessible way. Explore topics like weather, plants, animals, or the human body through interactive books, videos, or hands-on activities. Use simple experiments or demonstrations to illustrate scientific principles and engage children in the process of discovery. Encourage them to document their observations and findings, fostering their scientific thinking and communication skills. Preschoolers are naturally curious and filled with wonder. In this segment, we'll explore ways to embrace and nurture their innate curiosity, allowing them to embark on exciting scientific explorations. Encourage open-ended questions, support their curiosity-driven investigations, and provide opportunities for independent exploration and discovery. Celebrate their discoveries, encourage their curiosity-driven projects, and create an environment where they feel encouraged to explore and ask questions. That wraps up our video on fostering a love for science and exploration in preschoolers. By recognizing the power of science, providing hands-on experiences, introducing scientific concepts, and embracing curiosity and wonder, we can nurture their scientific thinking, creativity, and a lifelong passion for learning. Thank you for joining us on this scientific exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating aspect of early childhood development. Until then, keep fostering that love for science and embracing the wonders of the world.